Great. As I told you, I really want to show you a proof of all what I've been doing in the online space. And this has really just not like started right now. This started back in 2020 when COVID hit, and my business actually went down, and I said I really want to focus in the online space, and I want to make sure that I want to start making an online I want to make a living from the online space, and I started generating income from the system that I am showing you right now. But before we get into the system, I want to show you what started happening when I started implementing these strategies that I was being taught, and I started seeing the results like this. You can see here, it's on my email. You can see here is you've made a sale, 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 you've made a sale. And I want to jump into my PayPal account and show you the exact what I am sharing with you here. It's a live proof. This is something that I've done. This is something that I've tried. And this is something that I'm also showing other people so that they may be able to really get the results that I'm getting. And this is what I want to happen to you right now as you're watching this a video. So take a look at this is transactions, all activities. I want payment received. Okay, let me put just payment received. These are money that I've been able to receive from my products that I've been launching online, from everything that I've been able to do in the online space. And you can see here, this is $48. You can see $13. It goes all down. $6, $11, 0.6, $26. You can see payment from Tunes, payment from Tunes. It's an integration system that I use on my site. $15, $32, $3, and this is income that started coming in when I started implementing these strategies. All the way here, you can see $21, $22, and I said that I usually have different multiple streams of income. So let me show you on my other part also. This is, let's take a look at this ledger, and let's go back and let's go back to 2020 when I started implementing these strategies. 2020, let's take a look at I think this is okay. Let's refresh. So what will happen is you'll start seeing here that I was able to start generating sales. You can see here, you can see this is my name, guys. Sold by, this is my name. There's nothing I'm faking here. It's 100% real. It's 100% things that I am doing, things that I do in the space. The problem of most people in the online space is they listen to a lot of gurus, they listen to a lot of people who don't have real results and who are not actually even willing to give them a one-on-one support. And that is exactly what I want to show you. You can see here, this is $21, $10, 21. It goes down, 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 down. Okay, it goes down. Okay, it goes down. So I've shown you proof of the money that I've been able to generate in the online space. And right now, I want to show you a system that I'm really using, and this is what I'll be launching in 2022. So I've already showed you my results, and I remember just a few years I was in a page like this. I remember it was like today. I was in a position whereby I had looked for different opportunities. I had joined network marketing companies. I had tried 1,000,001 affiliate marketing companies. And what you're about to experience right now is something that has really helped me be able to generate those commissions that I've showed you. Actually, the reason I was showing you that, I was not showing you that to brag at all. I just want you to connect. I want you to relate. I'm just in a room. I'm just in my room here, for example, right now. This is where I work from. I just made a decision. I saw a video just like this, took action, and decided to work so hard to be able to make the life that I want. I was tired. I really didn't want to go for the 9 to 5 job. I really didn't want to have like limitations reporting to people. I wanted to have freedom, and I work 100% from home, except when I'm running my company Errors, which is a marketing agency whereby we actually need to connect with different people. When it comes to building my online business, I do it 100% just from my room, and I want to see that happening to you. I want you to start seeing I just want you to imagine this. All right, I don't have the fancy Ferraris, fancy cars, and all those things of exaggerated things in the internet. I want to make it so simple, so real, so authentic. I just want you to think about this. How about if you could be making just $10 each and every day? It's not a large amount of money, but that is money that can help you fuel, can help you do some other things as you're looking for different options and as you're learning to be able to make substantial online income. Okay, I'm also growing. I'm not yet there, but the system I want to share with you is what really helped me. It's by Jonathan. Jonathan is my mentor. He's a person that I've seen also growing in the internet, someone that I've seen him providing great value. He gave me the 3 days challenge, and that's what I want to recommend to you, right? So if you want to shorten the learning curve, if you want to shorten the curve and really fast track your results, if you're tired of the internet gurus, if you're tired of people saying, hey, you can make money overnight, I don't believe in that. You really need to learn some skills, and you really need to do a couple of things to be able to start making money online. If you're tired of all that hype, all that BS of the internet, the 3 days challenge by Jonathan, just click the link below in this video. You'll be able to see it. It is one of the best program that I can tell you for sure on the internet. So authentic, so real. We'll be sharing with you exact step. We'll actually be walking with you through each and every single step. It doesn't matter if you have any experience, it doesn't matter if you have never made any single coin on the internet, it doesn't matter if you don't have a product. He'll be sharing with you some of the products that you can take and start promoting right now. And hey, after 3 days, I want to hear your testimonials. I want to hear what you've been able to learn, and I want to hear the most important things, that you have generated your first commission, because I can promise you, the moment you generate your first commission, you start having hope, you start having belief, you start trusting the process, and you start saying that, hey, this thing is doable. So click the link below and let's meet on the other side and take the 3 days challenge. Take action right now. Take action. Don't say yes, just say maybe. Take action. Click the link below. That is actually what helped me get the results that you've seen.